October 4, Dad's birthday. Nandito mga apo. Kaya lang wala si Ang. That's Andre, look. Hi, Tita Arlene. Hi, cousins from abroad. Ampi, look. Say hi to your cousins and your brother and sister abroad. Hey, you. Say hi. Say hi, Tita Arlene. Hi, Amanda. No! And then Michelle. Me. I'm here. Abet. Samuel B. Yung baby min kayo namin. Sleeping na. Pagod.
I'm going to be insane!
And then si Daddy. Kumakain na.
And I always!
Celebrating Dad's birthday here in Jacobo. Where's Tristan? Where's Tristan? Where's Tristan? Say hi to Arlene. And cousins. And cousins abroad. And Kuy. Where's Ezra? Wala. Upstairs. Okay. Sige. Bye guys. Galangs and galanos.